let down my walls more.
Kakasabi lang ni Papa Jackson yan. Kapag nagbaba na ng walls ang lalaki sa'yo, mahal ka niya talaga. Kasi ang lalaki bago niyo ibaba yung mga walls niyo. Kasi
Yeah, it takes a lot.
masculinity, yung
Yeah.
pagiging
Yeah,
machismo
yeah.
ng lalaki, hindi kami magpapakita ng emotion.
Yeah. As we speak, man, andun pa rin yun. Hindi ko naman sinasabi, this is gonna be a journey, a process for me to unti-unti na, especially sa lalaki sa showbiz. Parang you can't really share everything kasi
Number one, it can be used against you.
yes, but
It can be
yeah,
weaponized against you.
especially itong panahon natin ngayon. But sa personal life ko, that's what I'm working on now. It's talagang okay lang na makita na ako vulnerable. Okay lang na makita na ako na may kahinaan din siya. O, syempre, ako yung lalaki sa pamilya namin eh. So you always have to be strong. You always have to be there. Always have to have that strength. Pero minsan, wala dun eh. Minsan may mga araw na parang we get weak then. And it's okay to be weak for a moment or for a day or for a week. But as long as you have the right people around you. So yun.
And the right woman.
The
beside
right
you.
woman, yeah. Yun yung secret weapon in life is having that right partner.
One of the reasons kung bakit pinag-uusapan uli ang relationship ninyo is because everyone thinks na nag-break kayo ni Julia.
No, we're okay. Kanina, hinatid ko siya sa airport. Pupunta sila Dubai. Kaya medyo napaaga ako.
So it's not true?
No.
Parang nag-erase daw ng photos?
Hindi.
So wala.
Yeah,
Alam mo,
yeah,
totoo yan.
hindi
Ako
rin.
nga sinabihan nila nag-unfollow daw ako eh. Wala akong in-unfollow.
And then that's...
Actually, ganyan sa showbiz.
Diyan ang sasabihin ko.
Inuunahan kanila.
Inuunahan kanila. And then, doon yung basihan. Naka-follow ba? Naka-unfollow ba? Andun yung pictures, wala yung pictures. Nakakalungkot na yun na yung basihan, no?
Paano mo i-differentiate yung relationship na meron ka ngayon?
Siguro, for one, it's deeper. I think 7 years ata ang agwat namin. But si Julia is very mapagmahal, very motherly. Manang-mana siya kay Tita Marge sa mami niya. Super,
Motherly?
yeah, motherly. Yung values na meron siya, yung love na binibigay niya, yung support na binibigay niya, it inspires me to, just be better and give her yung 100% ko, always yung best version ko. Yan, basta parang masyado ako nakakatakot. Nag-overshare na ako.